Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook Messenger. Now go to your menu. Now click on settings icon. Here you can see dark mode. Press on this. If you want to disable your dark mode in your Facebook Messenger, then press on this off option. That's it. So this is how to disable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.